So before we get into the how-to of changing habits, I want to give you a brief rundown of what I've done in terms of habit changes and what I've quit. So I had a pretty challenging traumatic past, and that led me down a path of binge eating and drinking. And over the years, I've been able to completely eliminate sugar from my diet, completely stop drinking alcohol, as well as recently completely quit caffeine. Now, for me, with those substances, the sugar, the coffee, and the alcohol, some people can cut down and just have a moderate level. But I know my personality, I know myself, and I know that when I have a small amount, it's very easy to ramp up. And this self-awareness thing is something we're going to talk about in these videos. But the point I'm driving at here is that I have personal experience in quitting things that were quite a sort of, not a central part of me, but something that I would struggle with and have struggled with for years. The reason I did it was because of the impact that it was having on my mental state. If I have too much coffee, I get very anxious. If I have too much alcohol, there's a risk of myself losing myself into this sort of depression, or just sort of this non-helpful outlet rather than facing my problems. And the sugar is a similar thing. It would be this instant dopamine hit that would cause me to gain a bunch of weight and sort of get lethargic, and it wasn't that great for me. Like I said, this is a long process, and it took me a while and a bunch of false starts to be able to get there. But I have managed to quit and stay quit. And on top of that, I've been able to implement positive habits, some to replace those negative ones, but others just in my life. Some of these positive habits including exercising twice per day. It includes having a morning routine where I wake up and meditate each day. So what I hope to give you by the end of this course is a in-depth look at your own habits, how you can change them, and what you can turn them into.